Hello, my people. How are you? Welcome to Bible Gist Naija. We are with the Gist Bible Matter for Pidgin. If now your first time for Bible Gist Naija, I welcome you specially. So for the last episode, I gist on how Joseph brothers take sell am like gala, and they sell am for just 20 silver. Now so they take sell am give slave traders where they go Egypt. So now wetin we talk about for the last gist be that. But today na the part 3 will be the continuation of the Joseph series wey we start. And today our gist dey cover Genesis chapter 39 to the end. So as I go always talk, I go say make you go check Mate Bible, make you see wetin Genesis chapter 39 from 1 to the end talk about. Joseph now don enter the land of Egypt o, but even inside the land of Egypt wey im dey, wey be no man's land, wey no be im land at all, God still dey with am for there. So all this na wetin I go cover for today gist. So right about now, make we enter today gist. So my people, as the slave traders enter Egypt, na so they carry Joseph go sell give one man wey dem dey call Potiphar. And Potiphar na senior officer for inside Pharaoh office, wey be the king of Egypt. So and this Potiphar so come accept Joseph, come assign am to all the tasks for im house. This na wetin we dey call boy boy these days. So but as Joseph enter Potiphar house, things begin dey change, things begin dey turn around. Even the Potiphar confirm am say, yes, since this boy enter my house, I dey see progress, I dey see more blessings. No confuse yourself o. Potiphar already na big man wey e be. Even if na for this our age now, we go dey call am CEO. So na big man wey e be, but for him to even confirm say since Joseph enter im house, more blessings don dey come, that means e go make you understand say no be play play things wey the man begin dey experience, like blessings all around. E dey talk one day say, this boy wey dem call Joseph, wetin he be sef? E just dey ask himself o. E say wetin he be sef? Since this boy enter my house, I just dey experience more blessings, favour here and there, more grace. So which boy be this? This one na better blessing wey God don give me. So say anything wey this boy hand touch, e dey turn to gold. If him blow breeze like this, say everything dey change. Say Baba God, I no go use this boy play o. But as all these things dey happen so, we no know say Potiphar wife don dey use sugar mummy eye dey observe Joseph. She continue like this. She no fit hold am again one day as nobody dey house. And so she just call Joseph. Fine bobo, how far now? Wetin dey happen? Near me now. Come follow me lie down on top bed small. Na im Joseph look am say, you wey be my oga wife? No, I no fit do this kind thing. If I do this thing, I don sin against my oga, I don sin against God. Na so that chapter take close that day. But Potiphar wife don dey vex. Say this boy, house boy like you, I dey call you, you dey turn me down. Who you be sef? No worry, I go show you shege for this house. So another day reach, nobody dey house. Potiphar don go meet Pharaoh, make dem align one or two things to take plan how they go carry Egypt go the next level. No other guards dem dey house, nobody dey house. Na just Potiphar wife and Joseph. Na so she target Joseph when im dey do im work. Na so she just come from im back, catch am. Say you, I don catch you today. Today you must follow me enter inside room, go lie down for bed with me. As Joseph try to struggle, madam don hold am, e no fit move. Na so he just try twist himself like this, twist himself, fling himself. Na so as he just fling himself like that, na so him cloth wey he wear, him robe wey he wear tear. He run leave am for her hand, run comot for the house. If you see the way Joseph take dey run that day, you go know say this one really dey run for him destiny, because the kind run wey he run na the only run wey fit save your destiny be that. But as the thing happen so, Potiphar wife vex. Madam vex. She don already plan wetin she go tell her husband when he come back. And the matter come worse as e be say Joseph come run leave him cloth for her hand. So as Potiphar come back, madam don dey cry say, honey, see wetin happen today o. Joseph, this boy wey carry key for this house, he wan do me bad thing. As he try to sleep with me, I just struggle, tear him clothes as evidence. Na him push am comot for house. As Potiphar hear this thing, He vex. He no even ask question. That time he forget say this boy na the same boy wey be say him dey pray since, dey thank Papa God say blessing don enter him house. Potiphar vex based on wetin him wife tell am. He vex. He no even ask. He no even call Joseph ask am question. Once now he call the guards. Say guards, when I dey, una near me. When I go find Joseph wherever he dey, una carry am come. As they carry Joseph come, and so he tell them say make dem go put am inside prison. My brothers and sisters, na so Joseph, the dreamer, take enter inside prison be this. So just like this, innocent Joseph, nothing he do. Na wow, wahala be like wetin again. True, wahala no dey far from better people. You see, if you be better person, just dey brace up because wahala always dey. Wahala always dey. But e no end there o. Even inside prison, Baba God still dey with Joseph. Even inside the prison, na Joseph shine. So my people, na here we go end today gist. This Joseph story, the matter long well. E long like trailer. But to watch out for the next episode, wey be the part 4 of this Joseph series, because the story don dey sweet. So my people, abeg, comment on our videos as the story dey sweet you the way e dey totori me. Like our videos, share with your guys, share with your family and friends, and subscribe if you never subscribe. Abeg, this na Bible Gist Naija. This na Bible wey sabi. And so till the next episode, God bless you.